it's me, Zoto. Things been bothering me lately. I've tried talking to my totem animal. My shadow totem is just constantly stalking me. So, it's not even mine. It's just been, constantly stalking me, and I don't know what to do about it. Like, I don't even think it's an animal. Like, the way it looks. Like, have you ever played Temple Run? You know those weird monkeys that like chase the guy in the beginning? That's what it looks like. Except the face is round, and it has a face like something really creepy. I don't even think it's an animal of this planet or of this time. Maybe it's an extinct animal. I don't know what the heck. But when I first did my totem, that was the first thing I saw. It was the first thing I saw. I don't know. Like, I remember one time I actually made friends with him. Like, what was this supposed to mean? He was helping me. Like, I don't know. I know my shadow is like something that I don't accept about myself, something I'm scared of in real life. But they said I'm scared of this animal in real life. I don't think this animal even exists. I don't know, but it's really overwhelming. It's confusing. I wish I knew. I don't know what to do with it. I've been going on websites, and the websites have been telling me to, what are they telling me? They've been telling me to, go talk to it. Yeah, I've been talking to it, but really I've been too afraid to even go in it. Like last time I tried doing the meditation, I woke up immediately because I did not want to see it. I've tried like twice already. I'll try again. Because I really want to talk to it. I want to see what's up. I want to see what he's doing there. One time I asked him something, and he laughed loudly in my face, all scary, like, and his voice, different voices, like he had a distorted voice, different tones to it. His teeth were sharp, very, very scary. And when I ignore him, like every time I talk to him, he either smiles like this, like, with his face all up in here, or if I ignore him, he will just stare at me and follow me. Like, my totem animal is a koi fish, so I go underwater to talk to my totem. There's a koi fish named Kova. And, yeah, I hit my eye. What had happened was, I talked, when I was swimming underwater looking for my totem, when I found him, what am I talking about? Totem. It was my shadow. He was swimming underwater with me, and I thought I could get away from him if I went underwater, but I couldn't. He was there. He keeps a distance from me. I don't know. I need to confront him, but I'm just way too afraid to. I just don't know what I'm doing anymore. I want to talk to him. I remember I did talk to him when he followed me. I was like, "Do you want to help me?" He silently nodded. I was like, he wants to be my friend or something. Like, and I was cool with that. And we were pretty cool. But lately, it has not been going well for me. I don't know. It's something outside that I need to fix, and I know that. It's something right now, right here, outside, in my conscious life, not my subconscious life or my, whatever. I'm going to do something about this because this is really annoying me. I want to talk to him, but I'm way too afraid to. Like, I woke up the last meditation. I literally, I was there. I was getting into my spirit world, and immediately I woke up. Like, legit. It's pretty bad. When I saw him. But the thing is, it's not like an animal of, like I said, it's not an animal of this world. Like, it's either from another planet, like far from here, or an extinct animal. I'm gonna find it though really badly. I want to know what animal this is. Like, I don't know what it is. That's the scary thing. Like, people say, oh, your shadow could be a wasp or a vulture or some crazy weird thing like that. You know? I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I know what I'm saying to him. I asked him if he was my totem animal, and he just laughed. That was the time when he laughed. I was scared. I don't remember the sound of his voice, but, you know, I just want to know what to do with him, because this is getting to the point where I want to meet him. You know, I did meet him once. We were cool. I think he wants to be my friend. You know, he wants to be my friend, and I want to be his friend, but I'm just way too scared to overcome something in this life right now before I can make friends with him. Like, you know. Okay, I'm out.